In this video, we are going to look at the autofilter functionality in Excel. Okay, let me show you a quick demo on what autofilter is. Click on Maryland, click on this little icon here. See, you have filtered the dataset based on Maryland. This functionality is actually a hidden functionality. It's not accessible straight away through our options in the ribbon. So we will have to go into the secret bag of Excel and pull in that tool out. Let's see how you would do a normal filter. I have a data set here with the county name, city, state, zip, population, and density. What if I need to filter only the rows that has the state Maryland? So what I would do is I would first of all go to sort and filter and do a filter. Then I would have to come here, select the drop down, deselect all the option, then select only Maryland. Only the rows with state as Maryland is listed. As you saw, this has like 3 or 4 steps in the process, right? If you are a person who uses this filter functionality a lot, now I'm going to show you how you can do a simple filter based on one value in a much quicker way. Let's remove the filter. So I'm just going to go to the quick access toolbar, do a right click and go to customize quick access toolbar. Now change this to all commands. Now you can see the entire list of functionalities that are available, and from here we have to select auto filter. Select it and click on the add button. Now it has come here. Click on OK. You can see the filter icon has now come in the quick access toolbar. Right now I'll show you the magic here. If you select Maryland and just click on this, it automatically filters the entire data set by the cell you had selected, right? If you again do a clear filter, if you want to filter by New York, again just click on the filter and it filters the entire data set. So now you might have a question on whether we can filter based on multiple values, like if you select New York, do a control click, select Maryland and try to do this. Will it work? No, it won't. So it cannot do filter based on multiple range. It can only do a single value based filter. So that was all I had for today. Hope you learned something new from this video. If yes, please consider liking the video and subscribing to our channel. Thank you so much for your time. Have a wonderful day ahead.